Hey best friends, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, what's up? My name is Sin, or you could call me Aiyanyi, and I make wigs. So today is another installment of my lace glue series, all right? And so we are going to be talking about Ghost Bond. So I did order my Ghost Bond from Amazon, and it was on Prime, so it came maybe a day or 2 days after I ordered it. I did order the XL, the 1.3 ounce. I think this is 1.3 ounces. Yeah, we're just gonna say 1.3 ounces, all right? The retail price on Amazon is $21.48. So this is what Ghost Bond states. Ghost Bond XL hair replacement adhesive creates a strong indivisible bond between scalp and hairpiece to reduce movement while holding the hairline and absorbing light from the natural appearance. Our cosmetic formula can be used for poly and lace front hair pieces and is ideal for those who have oily skin and scalp, heavy perspiration, and those who live in high humidity climates. It doesn't give you a lot of detail on the Ghost Bond on Amazon, but I applied it like I would normally apply any other lace front glues. And so what I did was I applied my stocking cap like I would normally do, especially because I'm using a new glue and I don't know how it holds up with coming off of my skin and my hair and my lace. So I wanted to make sure that I use a stocking cap to protect my actual hairline, because I did hear horror stories about Ghost Bond pulling out girls' hair. So I don't want my edges gone, and I need my edges. So your girl protected her edges with a stocking cap. After I did that, I made sure I cleaned my hair with 91% alcohol. Like I said before in my another lace video, I like to use a sock because it's cotton and it doesn't leave, like, you know, the cotton flakes around your hairline, so it makes it an easier and cleaner process when it comes to applying your glue and your lace fronts to your head. What I did was I applied one coat all the way around. I did apply my bolt hold tape around my ear tabs just because I like to be secure and I like my ear tabs to stay down because I do have a problem with ear tabs. So I did apply a coat of Ghost Bond. It goes on white, and I made sure that it went clear before I applied another layer to it. In all, I applied about 4 layers of Ghost Bond to my hairline before I decided to apply my wig. Now I am working with a different technique on how I apply my wigs, only because, like I always say, my hairline, I'm just trying to find the easier way to do this for myself. So when it comes to my hairline, I do pluck the hairline. As you can see in this video, in this clip, I do have some hot roots, and that's because I was rushing. I was up at like 2 o'clock last night making this wig, and I just needed to get done. So hot roots wasn't really like a thing of concern. A thing of concern was I needed to wear this wig for the following day. So what I normally do is I pull my lace down, and I make sure the hairline of the lace frontal that I am using is a little bit above my hairline, so it might come low. And then what I do is I just take a razor, I cut into the hairline in the shape of my hair. Now the glue and the lace is adhering to each other, I could go in and I could cut around my hairline to match my hairline perfectly. And if I need to pluck a little more, then I'll just go ahead and do that. After applying the Ghost Bond and my lace down, this is what my wig looked like after I did all of that, which was bomb. It came out really bomb. I'm not even gonna put that. My hairline was looking nice, and Ghost Bond, it really dries down clear. Like I can honestly say that I didn't have any shiny residue or anything on it. It didn't turn gray. It really dried down clear, and I really like that. I showed you guys what it looked like. I'm gonna show you guys how it looked that night. And this is me out and about with my boyfriend. We had some family stuff that we had to take care that day, so I was all out. Out all night. Well, not all night. I kind of went home at around 10 o'clock, but I was out in the air, and my lace front looked okay. Like it looked decent. So when it came for me to go home, I wash my face. Now when I wash my face to take off my makeup, I make sure that I'm very careful when it comes to my hairline, because I want my lace fronts to last as long as possible, especially when I'm using glue. So I washed my face. I made sure I left like this area last when it came to, you know, wiping down the makeup off. And so I was very careful. I took a towel, like a towel, and I was just wiping around my hairline. And I guess the perspiration from the hair, the water or the towel or whatever, it kind of made pieces of my lace front lift. I'll show you right here. Okay, best friends. So I just washed my face because I had makeup on, and needless to say, I'm lifting. But I wasn't lifting before. I'm lifting now. So Ghost Bond is definitely not waterproof. At least I can wash my face with bold hold and my lace not lift up. So I don't know how long this is gonna last. I am going to try this again, you know, try it one more time, and then I'm gonna give you guys my opinion, because it looked flawless all day today. This is just day one, and I just washed my face. I didn't even wet my hairline. I took a damp cloth and I was wiping close to my hairline, but I didn't wipe my hairline. So yeah, this is what it's looking like. I feel like I'm gonna have to redo it. And then I am going to show you guys that. But it looked flawless today. I only had it on for not even 24 hours. And this is what it is. So, yeah, it looks crazy. But I'm about to go to sleep on this shit. Alright, bye. So I really wasn't bothered by that because I still had adhesive around that in those areas where it started lifting. So all I did was I thought, okay, well, you know, maybe I'll just, you know, tie a scarf around my head, go to sleep, wake up, and I'll be okay. So I went to sleep and I woke up and I looked like this. And yeah, Ghost Bond did not last me 24 hours at all. Like, the last video is probably like the 20-hour mark, and it did not last me at all. I feel like Ghost Bond is a day-to-day wear, but even if it's a day-to-day wear, it's a lot of maintenance for you to have it on for day-to-day, because you have to clean off this glue, and this glue is you know, you gonna do a little bit of rubbing, not a lot of rubbing, but you're gonna do a little bit of rubbing with some alcohol to get that off of you. I would not suggest you use Ghost Bond with a lace front, only because, you know, it's a lot of work, especially if it's not only going to last no longer than 24 hours. If you are going to use closure wigs, then okay, girl, be my guest. Use your closure for the Ghost Bond, because it'll look nice that way. But I highly do not suggest lace fronts and Ghost Bond to go together, because you're going to be annoyed when you have to remove your wig like I did, and, you know, put it back on your head like I did. And she's sitting right now. That's how I feel about Ghost Bond. You know what? It smells just like the Bold Hold to me. They both are basically almost the same size bottle. I think Ghost Bond is a little bigger than Bold Hold. They both smell like Elmer's glue, but I just feel like I have more of a longevity when it comes to wearing my lace fronts or whatever with Bold Hold than it is with Ghost Bond. Ghost Bond, you did me dirty, and I had to come home, clean off my hairline. I had to try to save my stocking cap that was underneath in order for me to use it again for me to put my wig back on. And I put my wig back on, and this is what it looks like right here. This is complimentaries of Bold Hold. Yes, Bold Hold has me looking real snatched and slayed, like, yes. And I did go on live on Facebook to show you guys how I actually, you know, snatched it off and came back on and put it back on. So you guys should definitely follow my Facebook page, because I'm always live on there. But yes, I'm just not a fan of Ghost Bond. I will not be using Ghost Bond ever again. And that is my review for the product. Ghost Bond does not work well for people that has oily scalp. Ghost Bond does not work for people that sweat a lot. Ghost Bond does not like water, okay? Let me know down below if you ever tried Ghost Bond and how was your experience with it, because obviously Ghost Bond tried to play me today, and I was not having it. So if you guys have any other glues that you would want me to test out for you for this lace glue series, leave them down in the comment area, and I'll get to them and I will test them out for us on YouTube, because I just feel like, you know, all of these glues are just shitty and they're not working to their full potential. And I kind of feel like all of these glues are the same. So I don't know, maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm wrong. I don't know, but I had high hopes for Ghost Bond and it just really let me down. So this hair is from Aligrace, and this is their loose wave. And isn't she pretty? Like, this is 26 inches of loose wave, and she's very pretty. And look at that hairline, bruh. I killed this hairline, I'm just saying. But anyway, you guys, if you guys have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave them down below, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye, best friends.